Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ninoshka and I would really love for you to subscribe. The button is down here and join this beautiful family. And today I have for you guys a short tutorial on how I do my winged eyeliner on my hooded eyes. I used on one eye a felt tip liner and then on the other eye I did a gel eyeliner. So if you are interested in how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. Hi beauties, so I brought you up close so you guys could see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do one eye with a felt tip liner and I'm gonna do the other eye with a gel eyeliner so you guys could see the difference. So for the felt tip eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Sex Kitten by Tarte and it looks like this. I'm gonna draw a line going from the outer corner of my eye. If I were to go up to where my brow ends, just like so. I go a little bit below the tip and I drag it to half of my lid, just like that. And then I like to fill this up just to see how it's looking. Just like so. See, when you close the eye, it starts to look a little bit nice. Now I'm gonna do the other half of my eye. So I'm just like tracing lines, just like so, until I get to my inner corner. Just like that. So now that I have that line traced, I like to go over it a little thicker until I'm satisfied on how thick it looks. And this is what I do. I do thinner lines and then I thicken them till my desire, just so I can get it as perfect as possible. As you guys can see, it looks pretty nice, but I'm gonna elongate the wing and I'm gonna clean it up down here a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back from a little bit below the tip and I'm gonna like draw again another line to the half of my lid. Now I'm gonna clean it up so you guys can see how it actually looks after you clean it up. And I'm gonna grab a tiny brush like this one to clean it up, and I'm grabbing my Maybelline concealer to clean my mess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna coat my brush on both sides, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly go under the line and clean it up. And if you mess up like I did here, with the concealer, you can just fix it. And I'm gonna show you right now how to do that. I'll just go over. I'm gonna clean my brush because it's gonna bring some of the black liner. And I'm gonna go over it again. And then, so now I'm gonna blend this downwards and I'm gonna keep getting rid of the eyeliner grabbing a little bit more concealer. And I'm going over that. You can use your finger or you can use a Q-tips to clean this up. I'm gonna go with my finger. And you guys, this is how the liner is looking right now. Now I'm gonna move to the other eye and I'm gonna show you how I do it with a gel eyeliner. So for this, I'm gonna use Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, and this is called the Ink Blackest Black or something like that. Blacklist, I'm sorry, Blacklist. And I'm gonna use the Sigma Winged Liner EO6 brush. And this is how it looks like. This is a really tiny brush. So I did cut my brush on both sides. And I try to make it as thin as possible. So I do like to raise a little my eyes. Since I do have hooded eyes, it's really difficult for me to just do it like this. So I do raise my eyes up a little and I tilt my head a little bit. And I come from the, almost from my lower lash line, and I go up like that. Just like that. And then again, I'm gonna go a little bit below the tip and I am gonna draw a line. That's gonna finish like halfway my lid. Okay beauties, so this is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, the button is down here. That really helps my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.